Welcome to our video on the best LED TV backlights. Are you looking to enhance your viewing experience and create a more immersive atmosphere in your home theater? Have you ever wondered how to make your TV stand out and become the centerpiece of your living room? Well, you're in luck. Today, we'll be counting down the top 7 LED TV backlights that will transform your entertainment setup. From budget-friendly options to high-end solutions, we've got something for everyone. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of LED TV backlights. Starting our list at number 7 is the WYZE Lightstrip Pro. This versatile LED strip is not just for TVs, but can be used in various applications around your home. I've had the pleasure of testing this product, and I must say, it's quite impressive for its price point. The WYZE Lightstrip Pro comes in a 4 feet length, which is perfect for most TV sizes. What sets it apart from the basic WYZE Lightstrip is its ability to display up to 16 different colors simultaneously along the strip. This feature allows for more dynamic lighting effects and better color matching with your TV content. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the strong adhesive backing. I had no issues attaching it to the back of my TV, and it has stayed put ever since. The strip is also cuttable, so you can easily adjust it to fit your specific TV size. One of the standout features of the WYZE Lightstrip Pro is its compatibility with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. I found it incredibly convenient to control the lights hands-free, especially when I was already settled on the couch for a movie night. The WYZE app offers a plethora of customization options. You can create schedules, set up scenes, and even sync the lights with music. While the music sync feature isn't as advanced as some higher-end models, it still adds a fun element to your viewing or listening experience. Coming in at number 6, we have the Sengled Smart TV LED Backlights. This kit is specifically designed for TVs and offers a more tailored experience compared to general-purpose LED strips. The Sengled kit comes with 4 separate light strips, which I found ideal for creating a balanced lighting effect around my TV. Each strip is 40 inches long, making it suitable for TVs ranging from 55 to 75 inches. The installation process was straightforward, with each strip having its own adhesive backing. One of the most impressive features of the Sengled backlights is their ability to sync with the content on your TV. The kit includes a small camera that you mount on top of your TV, which captures the colors on screen and replicates them on the LED strips in real time. I was pleasantly surprised by how accurate and responsive this feature was, especially during fast-paced action scenes. The Sengled Smart Home app provides a user-friendly interface for controlling the lights. You can adjust brightness, change colors manually, and even create custom scenes. I particularly enjoyed the movie mode, which automatically adjusts the lighting to enhance the viewing experience based on the content. While the Sengled backlights don't offer as many advanced features as some higher-end options, they strike a great balance between functionality and affordability. The ability to integrate with smart home systems like Alexa and Google Home is a nice bonus, allowing for seamless control within your existing smart home setup. 5. At the halfway point of our list, we have the BASON Lighting TV LED Backlight. This budget-friendly option proves that you don't need to break the bank to enhance your TV viewing experience. The BASON lighting kit comes with a generous 76 feet LED strip, which is more than enough for most TV sizes. I tested it on a 65-inch TV and still had some leftover length. The strip is cuttable, so you can easily adjust it to fit smaller TVs as well. What impressed me most about this budget option was the quality of the LEDs. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is impressive for the price point. The strip can display 16 million colors, allowing for a wide range of lighting effects. The included remote control offers quick access to different color options and lighting modes. While it's not as advanced as smartphone app control, I found it convenient for making quick adjustments without having to reach for my phone. One unique feature of the BASON Lighting Backlight is its built-in microphone for music sync. While not as sophisticated as some higher-end models, it does a decent job of pulsing the lights in rhythm with your music or TV audio. This adds a fun, dynamic element to your viewing or listening experience. Installation was straightforward, thanks to the strong 3M adhesive backing. The kit also includes some cable clips to help manage any excess wire, which I appreciated for keeping things tidy behind my TV. Moving up to number 4, we have the Govee Envisual TV LED Backlight with camera. This kit takes the concept of TV backlighting to the next level with its advanced color matching technology. The Govee Envisual kit includes a high-quality LED strip that's available in different lengths to fit various TV sizes. I tested the 55 to 65-inch version, and it fit my 60-inch TV perfectly. The installation process was simple, with clear instructions and all necessary mounting hardware included. The star of the show is undoubtedly the camera-based color matching system. Unlike some other kits that use a single-point sensor, the Govee camera captures the entire screen, resulting in more accurate and dynamic color reproduction. I was impressed by how well it kept up with fast-moving scenes, creating an immersive atmosphere that extended beyond the TV screen. The Govee Home app is one of the most feature-rich I've encountered in LED backlight systems. It offers fine-tuned control over colors, brightness, and effects. You can create custom scenes, set schedules, and even calibrate the camera for optimal performance with your specific TV setup. One feature that stood out was the movie mode, which automatically adjusts the backlight to complement the on-screen content. I found this particularly effective when watching films with dramatic lighting, as it enhanced the overall cinematic experience. The Govee Envisual also supports voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant, which I found convenient for hands-free operation. The ability to integrate the backlight into broader smart home routines is a nice touch for tech enthusiasts. 3. Taking the bronze medal in our countdown is the Lytmi Fantasy 3 TV Backlight Kit. This high-end option brings professional-grade backlighting to your home theater setup. The Lytmi Fantasy 3 stands out with its HDMI-based color synchronization. Unlike camera-based systems, this kit intercepts the HDMI signal directly, resulting in near perfect color matching with zero lag. I was blown away by how seamlessly the lights responded to on-screen content, creating a truly immersive viewing experience. Installation is a bit more involved than some other options, as it requires connecting the kit to your HDMI setup. However, the included instructions are clear, and once set up, it's a set-and-forget solution. The kit supports 4K HDR pass-through, so you don't have to worry about it affecting your video quality. The Lytmi app offers a wealth of customization options. You can fine-tune the color accuracy, adjust brightness levels, and even create custom lighting zones. I particularly enjoyed the Ambiance mode, which subtly enhances the room lighting based on the dominant colors on screen. One of the most impressive features of the Lytmi Fantasy 3 is its support for multiple HDMI inputs. This means you can use it with various devices, from gaming consoles to streaming boxes, without having to constantly switch connections. The build quality of the Lytmi kit is noticeably superior to many other options on the market. The LED strip feels durable, and the control box is sleek and unobtrusive. While it comes at a higher price point, the performance and build quality justify the investment for serious home theater enthusiasts. 2. Just missing out on the top spot, we have the Nanoleaf Essentials Matter Bluetooth and Thread Smart LED Light Strip. This innovative product brings the latest in smart home technology to TV backlighting. The Nanoleaf Essentials Light Strip is one of the first to support the new Matter standard, which promises improved interoperability between smart home devices. In my testing, I found this translated to seamless integration with various smart home ecosystems, including Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Amazon Alexa. Installation is straightforward, with a strong adhesive backing that adhered well to my TV. The strip is cuttable and extendable, allowing for customization to fit various TV sizes. I appreciated the included corner connectors, which helped create clean, sharp angles around my TV. The color reproduction of the Nanoleaf strip is excellent, with vibrant, accurate hues across the spectrum. While it doesn't have built-in content matching like some other options, it can be synced with other smart home devices or controlled via app for dynamic lighting effects. One standout feature is the thread connectivity. This low-power mesh network technology resulted in fast response times and more reliable connections compared to traditional Wi-Fi or Bluetooth control. I noticed a significant improvement in responsiveness when controlling the lights through my smart home system. The Nanoleaf app offers a rich set of features, including custom scenes, schedules, and even circadian lighting that adjusts throughout the day. While not specifically designed for TV use, these features can be creatively applied to enhance your viewing experience. Our top pick for the best LED TV backlight is the Philips Hue Play Gradient 55-inch LED light strip. This premium offering from the smart lighting pioneers at Philips Hue takes TV backlighting to a whole new level. The Philips Hue Play Gradient Strip is specifically designed for TVs, with a preformed shape that perfectly contours to the back of your television. Installation is a breeze, with included mounting brackets that ensure a secure fit. I tested this on a 55-inch TV, and the fit was perfect, creating a seamless halo of light around the screen. What sets the Play Gradient Strip apart is its ability to display multiple colors simultaneously along the length of the strip. This allows for incredibly dynamic lighting that can match different areas of your TV screen in real time. When paired with the Philips Hue Sync box, sold separately, the color matching capabilities are simply unparalleled. The color quality and brightness of the Play Gradient Strip are top-notch. The LEDs produce rich, vibrant colors that can range from subtle ambient lighting to bright, punchy hues that really pop. The strip can achieve a maximum brightness of 1100 lumens, which is more than enough to create an immersive viewing experience. Integration with the broader Philips Hue ecosystem is another major advantage. I was able to easily incorporate the TV lighting into my existing Hue setup, creating synchronized lighting effects throughout my living room. The ability to control the lights via the Hue app, voice assistants, or even physical Hue switches adds a level of convenience that's hard to beat. While the Philips Hue Play Gradient Strip comes with a premium price tag, the quality, performance, and ecosystem integration make it well worth the investment for those seeking the ultimate TV backlighting experience. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or simply someone who appreciates great lighting, this is the cream of the crop. And there you have it, folks, our comprehensive guide to the best LED TV backlights on the market. From budget-friendly options to high-end solutions, there's something for every need and preference. Remember, the right backlight can transform your viewing experience, creating a more immersive and enjoyable atmosphere in your home theater. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and guides. Until next time, happy viewing!